daughter. Her name is Era, and she is 2.5 years old. My birthplace is Nagpur. When it comes to hobbies, I love reading, traveling, exploring new places, meeting new people, swimming, cycling, and nature photography. My clinic's name is Dr. Puri's Dental Clinic and Implant Center, which is located at Nagpur. It's been 7 years we are into practice, and we are a team of highly skilled dentists providing the best of dental care to our esteemed patients, be it a simple procedure of tooth filling or the most advanced procedure of full mouth reconstruction, be it a youngest to eldest member of your family. We are a highly trained and experienced team of oral health care providers who believe in delivering our best in what we do. So I specialize in gum disease surgery from Bangalore in the year 2014. So apart from my professional domain, I do have entrepreneur and leadership skills as well. We are India's leading dental education providers. So we have a dental training academy by the name of 32 Dentrain, where we conduct dental training program in 8 cities in India, and we have conducted more than 120 workshops and trained more than 2,000 dentists all over India. So very soon we will be starting these training programs in Sri Lanka and Bangladesh as well. So this is our temple where we work religiously and give our best to our patients. This is our waiting area, and this is our workstation. So apart from Sampark, we are also associated with bank and educational institutes where we regularly conduct dental checkup and oral health awareness drives. So we have conducted SFS in a camp in SFS College 2 years back, where we had examined more than 400 students and the staff members. So we also have good network with various hospitals where we conduct dental awareness drives such as Care Hospital, SureTech Hospital, and so our goal is to be the best dental clinic in central India and provide our patients with the best dental care using the state-of-art techniques and technology. We are ardent believer of digital dentistry, so we have recently introduced digital impression technology into our practice. So our aim is to make each patient's dental experience as comfortable and as stress-free as possible, and to treat every patient as if they are a member of our own family. So regarding the accomplishment, we have catered good number of foreigner and NRI clients in the past 7 years, and because of my entrepreneurship skills, so I was nominated for the India's highest awards in the excellence in the field of dentistry for Entrepreneur of the Year 2019. So my best 3 clients are the one who is not able to eat properly due to missing tooth, pain in the tooth, or moving tooth. Hesitate to smile because of stains in the teeth and wants cleaning of the teeth. Anyone you know is not happy with his or her smile. So we master the art of giving a complete smile makeover, which can be life transforming. So my best clients can be photographic memories are the best memory. I'll just show you a few of the pictures. So first, pain in the tooth, spacing between the teeth, bleeding from the gums, missing teeth wants to be replaced, stains on the tooth, bridal dental makeover, malaligned or crooked teeth, and child dentistry. So examples of the dental type that works best for me, we provide complete dental solution from youngest to eldest member of your family. So be it a tooth colored filling, painless single sitting root canal, tooth colored crowns, or dental implants for missing tooth, complete smile makeover, or any dental emergency, we master the art of giving best of dental care to our patients. So my best 6 contact spheres: makeup artist, dental medical representative, fashion designer, pediatrician, dermatologist, orthopedic, gynecologist as well, and anyone who is related to beauty and fashion industry. So my memory hook is very simple. So whenever you think of dentistry, just think of us, and because your smile means a lot to us. So thank you everyone for being